Alright, this is my 97 CR dirt bike. Obviously, what are you fucking retarded? Alright, the first thing we're going to talk about isn't the bike, it's my helmet. I have my Fly Racing helmet. It's got some cool air intakes right here and on top, and the heat extractors are out the back. That's keep your head cool, so when you're going down the track, your head ain't fucking on fire the whole goddamn time. Got them down on the face mask down here and out the back. There is Bluetooth in here. It's got the keypad and all that shit. Tony Stark put that in there for me, so you know it's legit. Alright, now onto the bike. I modified the exhaust so that it shoots fireballs out the back every time I rev it up, and it's in neutral because college girls can't say no. If they ain't skinny enough to sit on the back of that seat, they ain't coming home with me. Also, this bike is JDM as fuck, so I got all the stickers on here, all this. I got GoPro on each side, on the fender, I got all those right there, all that shit, right like that. So, I'll let you do the fucking math right there. Just like in the video games, everything that's red usually is upgraded. So I got the upgrade seat, upgrade crash pad up there, upgrade clutch lever, upgrade brake lever, upgrade registration sticker, upgraded front fender, upgraded sticker trim, and upgraded radiator guard. And the kickstand is orange. That almost made it. That's not quite upgraded. The tires on here, them fuckers are bulletproof. This is what I'm going to purge with if they ever legalize the purge. You ain't shooting my fucking tires out. The bike is JDM as fuck. I think I already said that, but fuck it. The seat is infused with unicorn dust. The fuel I use in here is unicorn piss. That's extra explosive. Better burning fuel. I have a mechanism that keeps my choke pulled up all the time if I ever want to use that for better airflow. The black button up here used to be the kill switch right there, but I modified that so that's my nitrous button. This bike has nitrous oxide on it. I took the back brake off. I only left the front brake on so I can do stoppies and shit like that. I don't really need the back brake because I'm always going fast. I don't need to slow down. This is two-stroke, obviously. Look at the big fucking pipe there, you moron. And remember, if you ain't mixing gas, you ain't spanking ass. Listen to this bitch right here. I'm gonna start this fucker up for you. Turn the fucking gas on. That's fucking pussy right there.